we have another package. A docking station. What the actual Hello, this is my another video, and in this video I'll present you the probably worst, or at least the worst looking robot vacuum ever. Take a look at this. This is a robot vacuum. It's called Sichler NX-9644-675. Someone from Germany, please translate this. Anyways, it looks like this. It has these weird freaking wheels, two side brushes which are easy to... Oh yes. This is the robot itself. This is like a cover for it. And under here we have got this freaking little bin. Oops. Yeah, here's the filter. Here I can see the propellers from the suction motor. Anyways, let's put this back. I don't know what these two things are. There are some magnets. Oh, this is held on by magnets. That's cool. Yeah, it just snaps right on. Then I can just lift it off. This is a bowl. I can put like 8 chips in this. If there will be like, I don't know, 20 likes on this video, I will eat chips from this on some like YouTube short or something. Yeah, I don't see anything else really. There is the remote like sensor, or the sensor for the remote controller, and there's some LED. I see one button right here. We'll see what this one does. Let's put this back on. There's the charging port and some ultrasonic sensors. Those ultrasonic sensors are actually everywhere. I believe this actually acts as a bumper as well, this whole cover. And like literally nothing else. These charging contacts really remind me of CleanMate robot vacuums, and so does the charging station which came with it. This is literally a CleanMate charging station, and also, to be honest, those sensors are usually used on CleanMates as well. So this definitely has something to do with the manufacture of CleanMate robot vacuums. We'll see, whatever. Here's a power switch. Nothing happened. Oh, we got a blue light. Okay. Will it turn on? Or wait. It pulses. Kind of. How do I turn it on? Now it blinks red and blue. I don't know if this is an error or... Now we've got only red light. Okay, this does nothing. Let's hook up the docking station to a extension cord and see what happens. We've got the clock on the dock itself. Nice. This also probably works like for some scheduling and stuff. Let's try to put it on the dock. Look how off-center it is. It's like, you may not... Yeah, you can see it definitely. Look how off-center the logo is, and look how off-center the LED and the remote sensor is. By the way, this should come with a remote, basically a normal... Oh, it beeped. And it's back in blue light, whatever. This should come with a CleanMate QQ-6, a remote controller, but it didn't come with any, so I'm doomed, I believe. Let's put it on the dock. I believe maybe this means it's charging. The dock doesn't show anything. Start button does nothing. It seems like it's charging, but how do I turn it on? I got no friggin' idea. Let me try to find a manual for it.
A few minutes later.
I found a manual for it. Literally the user guide. And you're not gonna believe this. This thing has Wi-Fi. So I had to investigate and I literally found an app for it. It is called ERC283 and it looks absolutely ridiculous. I think that it has like malware and viruses in it, so I had to download it on my, or I just didn't want it to download it on my like regular phone, so I put it on my Huawei P8 Lite. Anyways, I tried to connect it to my mobile hotspot because my Wi-Fi router is not working, but it should like work the same way as any other like robot vacuum when it's connecting to like home Wi-Fi, and it couldn't connect, and it was because ladies and gentlemen, this robot does not connect to the internet. The way the Wi-Fi works is that you like connect your mobile device to the robot and not the robot to your router and then the mobile device to the internet. This robot does not like have any like servers or stuff, which is good because this app will basically like work forever. It does not need like any servers and clouds. Yeah, the app is horrible and you can't basically use it like when you're out of the robot's Wi-Fi range. But I managed to connect it after several tries and like googling on what the Wi-Fi password from it is. Then I found the password in the user guide. If someone's wondering, this is the password that worked for me and the UID. But take a look at this. Smart cleaner, logging in. And there we are in the... what is this? Current status, idle mode, standby status. The heck? There are some modes. We're gonna try those. There is like a manual control for manually controlling the robot, and there's a scheduling feature. Wow! I can schedule the robot. I want to see like how it works. So. I don't know, like put it in here, adjust my camera and see what happens. Oh my god! This scared the shit out of me. What the heck? How loud it is! Oh, we got a warning. Error reminder, anti-falling error. What the heck? The motors sound horribly. The sensors, the ultrasonic sensors do work in fact. Let me pause it. Great. But it sounds horrible. What? But it seems like it's working. That's cool. Let's try the docking feature. Okay, the docking feature probably works, which is a good thing. I'm quite impressed. Let's hit auto. And it says device charging and it won't let me to do the auto cleaning. Oh. Great. What does the spot feature do? Oh, that's just a spiral. S pattern. Oh, that's neat. I'm pretty curious about what are its vacuum abilities, so let me get something to vacuum up to test how this thing cleans up. Okay, I think I've made a pretty nice mess. This is enough, I would say. I think it's not gonna clean any of this at all, but let's see. And let's go. Let's hit play. And it actually cleaned up something. Impressive. That's my phone! Leave my phone alone. It's pretty aggressive for how like small it is. I had zero expectations from this thing, but I have to say it is not bad on hard floors. As you can see, the floor is like nearly spotless. Like it's clean. You know what? Awesome. There is still like some bits left, but look at this, the floor is clean. The underside looks like this. This is slightly dusty, but nothing major. Let's take a look into the bin. And yeah, the bin is full of this stuff. Okay, also now it's clean. This is not very securely in there. Let's put this back in. And one last thing, I'm so curious on what's inside. So let's power this off. Remove the bin. And let's take this thing apart. Oh, there are actually metal threads in those. That's nice, premium. Here? Oh, ow. No way! This is literally a battery. This is the entire battery. Look how tiny it is. This is the iRobot X-Life battery, like the common Roomba battery. Look how tiny this is. This is like a battery from iRobot Brava. This is a Brava battery. Well, it's not, you know, but It's 14.8 volts DC, and it's only 200 milliamp hours, and it's lithium polymer. Here we go. I just disconnected the remote controller sensor, but yo, this looks pretty cute actually. Here's nothing. Here's just empty space, which is funny. Here's a small propeller with a BLDC motor. This is not a brushed motor, this is brushless, which is nice. This is the Wi-Fi module, look at this. It literally says QQ-7, what? So it definitely does have something to do with the CleanMate factory. There's another like little module. I believe that's some like RF radio frequency module right here. This little thing, you can see the antenna. And that's basically it. I only see the motherboard and QQ-7 main. This, wait, let me get my camera. Look at this. It says QQ-7 main. Cool. And it says 2018. This is the gearbox from one of the side brushes. Here's another one. The motor is probably like in here somewhere. Those are the little wheels. The motors are inside, like right here probably. The sensors, and yeah, nothing much else. Is this your brother? Huh? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I still can't believe like anyone actually made something like this, a robot vacuum with a bowl on it. So goddamn funny. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments if you would buy this kind of robot, if you like the design or if you hate it. So I'll see you guys next time, and have a nice day. Bye.
Please charge Roomba.
That's ten.